Okay, so we're about to decommission or take down the lines that have been holding up this oculus. They're held fast here, and so I don't really need any more now that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in. Go with these guys. This, I found, makes me feel safe, and I think it is safer. I ran this safety line, and as I move the ladder, I have to move the ladder each time, so I can do this by myself with just ropes. As I move the ladder, I reattach it. I like to use round turn, double half twist type of knots. Let's see how this one was done as well. Anyway, if I do this over, I'll probably choose better, whatever these things are called. These are just electrical that I borrowed, but I'd probably find something a little thicker. They worked fine, but, you know, if you're going to do it right, you might as well. And same as I said in another video, I'd get rid of these 60-pounders and do the sturdier carabiners that are made for it, rock climbing and so forth. At this point, I'm still attached to the truck, although I don't really think I need to be anymore, and the same for that. It's probably best practice to tidy it up if you don't need it anymore. So we can take those down. We'll get our last 2 up. 1, 2. Hopefully this last one's long enough. I cut it shorter, the very first cut on accident, and then I saved it for last because it is the shortest piece. Maybe it'll fit. I guess we'll find out. But basic strategy I use to get these up. This was the same pivot point I was able to use the whole time, and so it just moves. This is just a carabiner. It's not a pulley. A pulley would be better, but if it's just a carabiner, we can still move stuff, but we have to have the assistance of a lifting stick in one hand and pull on the rope in the other. The idea being, the carabiner sort of locks everything, so as you go up, you gain ground on the line. As you pull that line in, as you push it up at the same time, you gain that ground. You don't give it up. And then the design naturally allows for us to tie off the rope, the line, as we make an advance. You kind of have to go up and down the ladder a couple times. You put the pin in, or in this case, what is it called? The lag bolt. You put the lag bolt in. Then you pull it up. Then you actually take the lag bolt out oftentimes. Sometimes you get it just right, but usually you have to take it out again to get your measurement perfect, because they're not the same, you know. It's not perfect. So get it up, pull it up, adjust it, pull it up higher, and then, for example, this one, we started off only being able to get to about here on it. Here on it. But because we went back up and down the ladder and were patient, we were able to get it more or less where we wanted it. Anyway, Joseph, wecharge.com, WECHARG.com, chgcoin.org. Check us out.